So we've come here to Bohemian Gallery and Bohemian Gallery માં ખાલી 2 દિવસ માટે there are so many brands that have come over here. The exhibition is called Xmas Soiree 25. It has been curated by City Social. And let's talk about the collection. Collection ma they have some amazing 2 and 3 piece suits. They have dress materials, sarees ma options hai, western wear hai, home decor ma options hai. They have wax candles. There are 3 brands which have come with jewelry. So they have silver jewelry, they have imitation jewelry, and they have handmade jewelry options. Designer પોટલી બેગ્સ પણ તમને અહીંયા જોવા મળી જશે. ઇન શોર્ટ તમને બધું જ અહીંયા મળી જશે. We are at Bohemian Gallery ખાલી 2 જ દિવસ માટે આજે અને કાલે 17th and 18th of December. Collection જોવું હોય તો you know what to do. Swipe left.
Hi, so these are all healing candles. Basically all these candles are edible and has a purpose and meaning to it. All the candle gives you mental clarity and brings a spiritual growth. These are body butter candles. You light them like a candle and you apply the molten liquid to your skin and you massage it. So it relaxes your mind and body at the same time. This is Akhand Jyot. So you pour the oil, ghee here and you light the diya and it stays on for the several hours.
Okay. And these are all edible candles, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are all edible candles. Once
Every
they're
candle
melted.
has a different meaning and purpose to it.
Okay. These are made with vegetable oil?
Vegetable oil and vegetable wax.
So this brand is Amari. They have some beautiful bags like these, crochet much hai, and they can customize it for you as well. You can just take a look at these options. અહીંયા નીચે પણ બીજા options એમની પાસે available છે. They have something with nice heavy coin detailing as well. Moving on, they have some amazing dress pieces, heartwork ma. They have these bags as well. Akha set ma you'll get a tote bag, you'll get a pouch, and you'll get a sunglasses in case. They also have some nice abhas as well as dress materials like these. Okay. All right. And એમની પાસે બંધેજમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ છે. જે કફતાન્સ છે those are for 2500 અને એમાં 8 કલર ઓપ્શન્સ તમને જોવા મળશે. This brand is Etaki Sarees. They have a beautiful collection of sarees. What she's wearing is also part of her own collection. You can just check all of these options out over here. So this brand is Ada. They've come all the way from Baroda with their collection. Okay, let's take a look.
Yeah, corsets.
Corsets. Okay. Some nice dress materials.
Organza.
Okay.
Mull.
Mull.
Tissue. Matka silk.
Matka silk ma hai. So these are all dress materials.
We have
3-piece. Sarees ma options hai like these. Okay, beautiful. Akhu Lucknowi collection hai. Okay. Stitched ma joitu hoy.
Kaftan.
Kaftan.
These are semi-stitched gowns and tissues.
Semi-stitched gowns and tissues. So this brand is called Shining Sales and they have some beautiful options in imitation jewelry, but these are with 18 karat gold plating. These are all the earring options and ring options that they have. They also have some nice loose bracelets and they have necklaces, brooches joita hoy to ema pan options che. Okay. This is all part of their collection. They have some nice resin bangles as well. So this brand is Chapai by Jaipur Ghar. They have some amazing Jaipuri cottony bed sheets and pillow covers over here. These are all machine washable. Okay, they have more options over here as well. Ajrak style ma kai joitu hoy to ema पण options છે એમની પાસે. And these are all throws. Okay. થ્રોઝમાં બી ઘણા બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે. દોહર્સમાં ઓપ્શન્સ છે લાઈક ધીસ ઓવર હિયર. વધારે ઓપ્શન્સ જોવા હોય તો ઓફકોર્સ you'll have to come here to this exhibition and check out the collection that they've come with. This brand name is Vishti. They have some amazing silver jewelry options like these over here. Okay, so they have some statement neck pieces.
Yeah, hi. These are all silver base. Recently, I've created this in original coral and turquoise, and these are all jhumki statement pieces with Afghani collection too.
Okay, Afghani collection ma bhi
These are all Afghani collection I have added recently. And these are all very statement jhumkis with different jhumkis in it. And these are
Statement neck pieces. They have something in choker style and
these are again
long
kundan
pieces.
and polki.
They also have clothing.
Okay. Yeah. Recently, I've created these designs.
Okay.
In gaji silk. These are off-shoulder dresses, and these are handloom kala cotton dresses. I have added, and these are jamdani dresses, shirts, kaftans, kurtis, and saris.
So I'm Vaishnavi from brand Kesar. We have a huge collection of handloom products such as tissue dress material. This is Bhagalpuri dress material. This is 2 pieces, top and dupattas, as well as linen dress material. Going forward, we have shawls for bridal vidai and all. Then we have a good range of dupattas, katha work dupatta, lambani work dupatta. Then we have Maheshwari saris. And we have multiple options in that as well. And the new collection is of the Mangalgiri saris. We have a variety of products here on silk.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Kamal from Narayani.
So this brand is
વૈસે
Narayani.
પ્યોર ચંદેરીમાં આવી રીતના 3 પીસની પેર છે.
Okay.
સિમ્પલ અનારકલીમાં છે. જેમાં તમે હેવી દુપટ્ટા સાથે પેર અપ કરી શકો છો.
Okay.
પછી અંગરખા ડિઝાઇનમાં ચંદેરી પર છે. પછી 3 પીસમાં આપણે હેવીમાં જોવું હોય તો પણ 3 પીસમાં પણ છે આમાં.
3 piece
પછી આપણી પાસે
options.
સાડીઓમાં છે કસ્ટમાઇઝેશન ફુલ્લી અવેલેબલ છે. તમારે કોઈ સાડીઓમાં બ્લાઉઝ કસ્ટમાઇઝ
This brand is Swara by Ruchita Purohit, and they have some great collection like these in tops. એમની પાસે shirts and drape skirts માં પણ options છે, similar to what she is wearing. Alright, they have saris as well. This is their Rani collection, and they have some amazing hand painted saris as well. They also have Jaipuri cotton dresses. They have shirts as well, and they have short tops. You can come and check out further options over here.
કેમ છો અમદાવાદ? This is brand Aradhna by Nandini, and this is our collection. First one is off-white. It is embellished in bead work, hand work, crystal वाला सारा work इसमें किया गया है. Next one is orange. This is brocade. This one is pink. ये पूरा crystal पे है, sequins है. Then there is Ghazi as well. So we have focused on all wedding collection. You will see a lot of
Hello.
Hello, my brand name is Desi Vibes. I have an ethnic wear and casual wear collection. Let's show you. This is the kurta sharara set. This dupatta have the different contrast border. This is the kurta with pant. Something in the golden ethnic wear collection. Something in the rust orange.
What she's worn is also part of her own collection.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is on Mal Chanderi.
Okay. They have more pieces.
There's something in a gungru.
Okay.
This is also in Mal Chanderi with the different color. This is on the chinon.
I am Kairavi and this is Uniloom by Kairavi. All the products over here are handmade. We have this is mandala art and everything is hand painted and hand made.
So they have some amazing neck pieces like these statement neck pieces joiti hoy. If you're looking for some nice statement rings like these, so Emma options.